Hello, this is Rockefeller and welcome back to my second devlog of my multiplayer FPS game. Now the first thing I wanted to do on day 4 was add recoil to the weapons. I created a shooting variable and used this to check if the user is holding the fire button for automatic weapons. The fire code checks if they are still shooting and delays the weapon's fire rate before shooting again. For the recoil itself, I've just added random controller pitch in your inputs, which are multiplied by the weapon's recoil variable. And here's how it looks in the editor. I changed the variables for recoil and fire rate to see how it would affect it. Here's the result. The last thing I wanted to do for day 4 was create a mesh for my player and rig it in Blender, as I already have some experience in Blender from the weapons. On day 5, I reorganised my Trello list and colour coded it for task completion. Next, I imported the character mesh I created yesterday into Unreal Engine and tested moving the bones. I replaced the Unreal Engine 4 mesh with my new one in my character blueprint. This morning I also fixed all of my weapons, so I imported them next. Of course, with my character imported and rigged, I needed some animations. I have idle, running and walking animations which I'll put into a blend space using direction and speed as parameters. I connected this all up in the animation blueprint. The collision for the new mesh wasn't a simple bean, so I added a hitbox for the arms, legs, head and torso. Next, I added a muzzle socket to the weapons for where the projectile would spawn, and a weapon attach socket to the player for where they'll hold their equipped weapon. At the start of day 6, I put the muzzle socket on for the rest of the weapons. Now, I'm not sure why, but every time I tried to open a blueprint in the game engine, it just crashed. I ran the verify in the Epic Games launcher and it came back with nothing. So here's me thinking of the easiest way to fix it, and for some unknown reason, it was to restart the project in Unreal Engine 4. I spent most of the day redoing everything in Unreal Engine 4, although I did make a bit of progress for the game towards the end of the day. Okay, so here's how the weapons look in the scene, and it's a pretty big boy. I made some save files for the user's preferred controls and stats. I decided to make the character only visible to the other players and not the owner, so then I re-added the weapon that the owner can see to the edge of the screen, and it ended up looking a bit like this. And that's the end of day 6. Thank you all for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one.